Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and this week, May 23rd, we are going to make a poppy wreath for Memorial Day. And when you get your kit, you will get this, and you will get this with all of your parts. You do not need glue or scissors or tape or crayons. Everything you need is in that package. The first thing I'll tell you is that you're going to get an I Spy. I love this. Look at all these bright colors. An I Spy, Stars and Stripes, and then you'll get a Memorial Day barbecue, and it's all about math, counting, tallying, and graphing. So that's going to be your practice. Now, you'll take the blue circle and put your green ribbon through the top. Put your other green ribbon here. This is what it's going to look like. Now I have a few of these done because this is probably going to take a while to do. So you're going to take this, it's a sticker, and see your piece in the middle? This is going to go, you match it up like this, okay? And you put that there. That's the piece that hangs in the middle, and it says, what does it say? Honor Memorial Day. Yes, it does. Okay? Then you have a lot of stickers, and they're shaped like a heart. Now, this is what you want to do. See the little tip of it? That goes in the middle. There's one of them. And then I want a leaf. So I'll get a leaf off of here. I'll take the sticky stuff off the back, and I'll probably put a leaf, maybe right there. Okay. One more heart. 4 hearts for each one. Okay. There's that one. There's that one. Okay, we need 2 more, don't we? 1, 2. Take the back off. Remember, the point goes towards the middle. Right there. Now we need 1 more. And where does the point go? The point goes, the little end goes toward the middle. And there you have it. You're like, well, that doesn't look like a poppy. Well, guess what? We're just going to take 3 of these, and we're going to put them around the middle. There's 1, and here's 2. Okay, and we need 1 more. We'll take the sticky off of it. Here we go, just like this. And it goes there. And when you get finished, you will have poppies all around your wreath. You can hang this up for Memorial Day and thank someone you know who has served our country. And let's honor Memorial Day. Thank you, everybody.